Good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining us. Rod has the night off. For the third year in a row, psychologists are reporting an increase in the severity of symptoms for patients. That's according to a survey by the American Psychological Association. Channel 8's Matthew Mittleiter has more details in our top story tonight.
Psychologists in America say as their patients' symptoms get worse, the length of their treatment takes longer and longer. The survey by the American Psychological Association also showed that with longer treatment times, doctors have no room for openings, putting new patients on hold. The survey showed an average wait time of 3 months or longer. Dave Myers, the Senior Director of Behavioral Health Services at Bryan Medical Center, said a combination of the pandemic and reduced stigmas around mental health has led to the increase in demand for treatment.
We're seeing more and more folks seeking treatment for depression, anxiety, but for just a wide variety of things. What's important is that people realize that depression is one of the most treatable of the mental illnesses. And I think what people are seeing is that that's true, and with anxiety, and more folks are reaching out for help.
The survey also shows that about a third of psychologists are feeling burned out, working at the limits of their capacity. To avoid burnout, Meyer says Bryan Health's experts practice taking care of themselves and supporting one another. He says many experts have also switched to using remote sessions online as well as in person to better handle all the patients.
And even in our emergency room, that's something that we've expanded to where folks are coming in person, but we're also seeing folks across the state in other emergency rooms, and we're seeing them via telemedicine.
If you're looking for mental health treatment but are facing long wait times, Myers says it's best to talk with your friends and family to stay connected and get support until you can speak with a professional.
But we want folks to know that if things are in a crisis, if you're having thoughts of suicide and you feel like you need help right away, don't hesitate. Get to the emergency room and know that there are services and there's no wait list for that because we can get you in right away.
You can also speak to someone over the phone by dialing 988. Reporting in Lincoln, Matthew Mittleiter, Channel 8 News.